So today is a special day. I have Ventito Bakery Cake Kit. I cannot wait to see what's inside. Okay, so this is a cute packaging, isn't it? Love it so much. Super cute. Already I'm excited. I think this will be a great gift for someone that you know that loves to bake. Oh, I just want to nicely take it out. I don't want to mess it up. Ooh, let's see what we got in here. Oh, we got the whole kit. Cool. Smells so good. And you have the directions up here on what you need. Quick and easy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. 350 degrees set. Cake pan and baking cups. Check. Ingredients. Ready for the oven. So the vanilla buttercream was already provided, so I cannot wait after these cool to put on the finishing touches. So I did my best. I wanted to show you one with the frosting on it, and I will be doing the others as well. But I just love this. It's great for any, special occasion. You may need to bring cupcakes. Just want to make some for your family and loved ones, and maybe surprise them. I didn't think of myself as a baker, but however, look, complete. So I'm excited. I'm gonna put the rest on here. Highly recommend Ventito Bakery cake kits. I mean, this was so easy. So I had to take a bite. Very moist, very delicious.